Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to write a single line to a text file. So first we need to define our path. Then we can use write text method. The write text method takes a single argument, the string that we want to write to the file. So let's see how to do it. So first we are going to use from pathlib import path. Then we have our path. We can do that. And I'm going to name it out.txt, the file name to which we are going to write a single line. And then we are going to call path dot write text. Okay, I love Python programming. And that's it. It's simple. You just need to fix this spelling mistake. Now we can run our code. So it is returned to our file. So I'm just on Linux. I'm just going to type ls, and here is our out.txt. I will use more command with our file to see the content of our out.txt. So we can see the line written to our file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.